oysters today, and this is my 32nd time I recorded her like this. Play.
Let's go.
Boom, boom.
What?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
Don't worry, it's not going to make you go fast. See, you're going slow.
Okay.
You got the magnet.
Yay.
You need to design one more gingerbread man, and then you get a new level.
Yes.
Gingerbread man!
Can I get him?
Ozark, jump! Jump! Yes! Claim reward.
Oh, yeah.
Claim reward. Level 16. 3 keys!
Yes.
And you're going to be getting another 3 keys soon in the ad.
Yes.
Now I'm using on the level 16. I think you're at least going to get the level 20, which is Snow Cloud. But I don't know about level 30. I don't know about level 30.
Okay.
Because I took away some of your levels when you got this new stone.
I know. I don't understand that.
And I took away Island Calendars days, too.
Yeah, why?
Oh, yeah, and you get the guy today.
Why would they take my stuff away? It doesn't make sense.
Gingerbread
Yes.
Man. Boom.
Bam.
Oh, yeah, you get the guy today.
I know. You said. So excited.
But we're going to do that in a separate video.
Oh,
Jumpy
I didn't mean to do that.
Why, you don't like the jumpy
Oh,
shoes?
yeah, I do. I don't know. I don't know.
Mama, sing an Encanto song.
Welcome to the family. I don't know the words.
Mama, sing a Frozen song. Sing a Frozen song. Sing a Frozen
Let
song.
it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Gingerbread Man.
Let it go.
Boom.
Boom. Let it go.
Jetpack.
Turn away and close, slam the door.
Mom.
What?
Sing a, Oh, you died. 2 out of 16 gingerbread man.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no.
Mama, sing
We don't talk about
Mom,
Bruno.
Mom,
What?
Mom, let's sing like a regular song.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, you missed
I can't get it. And a Happy New Year.
Oh, you died.
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Yes.
Double tap. Go Clementine, go Splash.
I got a gingerbread man.
Yay! Go Clementine, go Splash, go Clement.
Oh, I didn't mean to do
Jetpack.
that.
Mom, get the coins.
I didn't mean to do that.
Why, you don't like it?
No, I hate it because I'm missing all the gingerbread.
Well, you can get coins. Mom, there isn't gingerbread. There isn't anything down there when you get that. Go Clementine, go Splash.
Good Clementine. Die.
You died.
Go Clementine.
Double tap. Go Clementine, go
Go
Splash.
Splash.
Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash.
Go Clementine.
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 Splash.
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 Clementine. I thought that was a gingerbread man. It wasn't.
Gingerbread Man! Boom! Store out of 16 gingerbread man. And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine, North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Sisters board my mama is on is Splash. Bonus errors board. Well, I think it's bonus errors. I don't know if it's actually bonus errors, but that's what I call it.
So my mom wants the white cake for her birthday.
Yeah, and it was Andrew's birthday yesterday. Gingerbread Man! Yes, you got it.
So we'll have to go up there and get the white cake.
Okay.
I am not buying Pisker's cake. I don't like Pisker's cake. What? Did you like the cake, Trav, or no?
Yeah, I liked it.
I thought you said you didn't like it at first.
Now I do. Then I did.
Oh. Amy, did you like it?
Mm-hmm. Gingerbread Man! Over! Yes! 6 out of 16 Gingerbread Man. And guys, I'm sorry I haven't been posting these videos recently. I'm going to post this one, I think.
It's okay if you didn't post them.
If I have time.
It's okay.
I know. I think you already got a Gingerbread Man in this one. You can die now. Want to get the 3 keys?
Sure.
Why is the answer about Target?
Probably because my Target app is not, I don't have it logged in.
Well, can you get it logged in?
I have to ask Ashley how to do it. I don't know how to do it.
No.
Oh.
You don't get that. Unless you want the sound up for the ad.
No.
What is this ad?
I don't know. What in the world? I do not know.
X. You click the arrow. Now the X. 3 keys.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Now you have 294 keys. Wow, Mom.
Well, I used to have 400.
I'm sorry you got downloads.
It's okay. Just have to keep working at it. Keep getting those keys.
Double tap. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash.
Go Clementine, go Splash.
Magnet. And the Subway Sisters character Mama is Clementine. North Pole Searcher and the Subway Sisters board Mama is on again is Splash. Bonus errors board. Well, I think it's bonus errors. I don't know how to actually spell it out, but that's what I call it. And I'm sorry it hasn't been saying in the Subway Sisters character, my mama it's Clementine. North Pole Searcher. I'm sorry I hasn't been saying that a lot in this video. I just keep forgetting. And
Gingerbread Man!
Boom. Says now 16 Gingerbread Man. You might get level 16 in this video because it still has so much time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sorry I hasn't been saying that a while. I just keep forgetting.
It's okay. You don't have to be sorry.
And I think I'm gonna post this one today, but I don't know. Double tap. Go Clementine, go Splash.
Go Clementine, go Splash.
Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash.
Gingerbread Man!
And the Subway Sisters character Mama is Clementine. North Pole Searcher and the Subway Sisters board Mama is on again is Splash. Bonus errors board. Did you stand the Gingerbread Man in this round?
Yes.
Then die. Double tap. Oh, you don't have any. Oh, you died.
Do, 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 do. What are you doing?
I bought a skateboard. Over. Double tap. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash. Go Clementine, go Splash. And the Subway Sisters character Mama again is Clementine, North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Says Board My Mama is on again is Splash, bonus errors board. And I see a gingerbread man, boom, in the mystery box. Now you can die. Boom.
Boom.
Boom. You're supposed to copy me.
Boom.
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 Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Where's my gingerbread man?
Boom, shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka.
Boom,
Boom
shakalaka.
shakalaka. Boom shakalaka laka 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 laka.
Shakalaka.
Where's my gingerbread? Where's my gingerbread? Where's my gingerbread?
Right there! Boom! 10 out of 16 gingerbread man.
Bam.
Size more gingerbread man and then you get a new puzzle.
Yay!
Come on, you can do this, Mom.
I don't know.
And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine, North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Sisters board my mama is on again is Splash. Bonus errors board. I don't know if it's actually called bonus errors, but that's how I say it. We should check though to make sure I'm saying it right.
I'm sure you're saying it right.
I don't know. Come on, Mom, you can say lies. I don't see any gingerbread man though.
Me and you. There's one. Oh no, it's a star.
Why did you miss a star?
I thought it was a gingerbread man.
Yeah, but you could still get the star, right?
Yeah, I guess I could have. I just skipped it.
No gingerbread man in this round.
There's
There's
a box.
mystery box. I don't see any gingerbread man.
I don't see them either.
Keep looking.
So annoying.
Keep looking. You're getting faster now.
I know. I'm not gonna be. Oh.
You died. Mystery box. And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine. North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Sisters board my mama is on again is Splash, bonus errors board. Come on, sign the gingerbread man.
I don't see them. It's gonna be up high, probably.
I see one.
Yes.
Boom! 11 out of 16 gingerbread man. Boom, let's go. Yes, you finally got it. There's a star. Oh. There's coins. Gingerbread man! Boom! 12 out of 16 gingerbread man. You think you're gonna get level 16?
I don't know. Maybe. It's getting later.
Play. And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine, North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Sisters board my mama is on again is Splash, bonus errors board. Come on, where's the gingerbread man? Oh, you can't get it, it's up high.
I'll just die.
We're gonna have to end this video soon. And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine, North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Sisters board my mama is on again is Splash, bonus errors board. Is that a gingerbread man? No, it's a star. Gingerbread man! Ozer. Boom! Got it. 16 out of 6. Yeah, no. 13 out of 16 gingerbread man. And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine, North Pole Searcher, and the Subway Sisters board my mama is on again is Splash. Bonus errors board. Will she get it? The video can only go on for 2 more minutes. Will she get to level 16? Okay, one more. Sorting out 16 gingerbread men. Will she get it?
Am I going to get it?
Yes, she will. Because it's only
What do you think?
Because this video is only at 16 minutes. We're going on to 17 minutes. Come on, Mom. I can't look.
You can't look.
Ozer. Come on, you have to use your eyes. Gingerbread man! Boom! 16 out of 16 gingerbread man! Level 16! Boom, let's go!
Claim reward.
Claim reward.
Yes.
Okay, you can play 1 more round. 2 more rounds. So we can get to the last round.
Okay.
Okay, when I say 3, 2, 1, go play the last round. You play the last round, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1, play the last round. Go! Okay, guys, this is the last time I'm saying it. And the Subway Sisters character my mama is Clementine, North Pole Searcher. And the Subway Sisters board my mama is on again is Splash, Bonus Errors board. Double tap. Go Clementine, go Splash.
Go Clementine, go Splash. I see a gingerbread. Oh.
You can't get it. Go Splash, go Clementine, go Splash.
Go
Okay.
Clementine,
We have to
go
end this video.
Splash.
Are you gonna die?
Yeah.
Boom.
Good game.
She ended with 0 out of 16 gingerbread men. Now we're just waiting for Clementine to say bye. And here are the bundles out right now. New Year's bundle. And Shield Team.
Cool.
And we just have to claim this. We can claim that later because Clementine's gonna say bye. Look,
Okay.
look at this. Clementine's literally gonna say bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Look, Clementine literally just said bye, guys. Okay, bye, guys. We couldn't do that because I just wanted Clementine to say bye, and we have to end this video. So yeah, bye, guys.
Bye, guys.